All right, tonight I'm playing with this 3D printer. I don't know what I'm making, but I want to show everyone how I print in the air. It's pretty cool. Check this out. So I take it, I start the 3D pen on the surface. As soon as I start printing, I turn the box upside down. So you see what I'm doing? As the filament, plastic, or what you want to call it, still coming out, I'm just keeping a slow speed. If you slow it down, it's thicker. Obviously, if you speed it up, it's thinner. All right, I stopped the printing. Let it cool off. And you'll let it stick on there. Let's see here. I'm just messing around, making just some random object, playing around with the 3D pen. So let's go ahead and start right here at the base. You're gonna turn it upside down. Check that out. I'm going the same speed as the pen. Just making sure the line is thick, because I'm going to join it at the tip here. That's what she said. So you want to blow on it. I know you dudes don't want to blow on no stick, but the women will blow on it. All right, now that that's cooled down, check that out. That's pretty cool. So let's go to the other. Check this out here. So you get it started at the base, kind of come up while it's still going, rotate. Yep, I'm still upside down. She loads it upside down, baby. Yeah. Look at that. See? I can sit here and wobble it around. Yeah. So yeah, you want to cool it. See, with 3D printers, the reason why they print so slow, because if you sit here and try to print the solid object thick really fast, it'll just melt. So you know what? Instead of flipping it this way, right side up, let's just stay upside down. I'm going to print upside down. Yep. Wobbly, wobbly. Oh, yeah. Wobbly, wobbly. Check that out. I think I found me a new project. And then, you can bend it, whatever, go like this. But it's still hot, flexible. You can let it dry like that. But I'm joining these at the tip right now. let's go to the other one. You know what? For fun, everybody, we're going to do this. Watch this. For all you 3D printer guys. If you let it dry like that, yeah, it'll be curved, but watch what I do. See that? Ooh, yep, still curved. But now it's going to be straight. Yeah, there's a little spot on there because I made the pin stop unexpectedly. So I'm going to make one more. So let's have some fun, guys. Watch this. I am literally printing in the air. Now it's going to turn out straight. Let's do another one. Like that? Yeah, look. All right. So, let me, yeah, you had all these fuzzies on here. But, so now that one's cooling off and the majority of them is cool, this is what I got printing upside down. It kind of looks like a TP, whatever, but it's pretty sturdy. Pretty awesome. Thanks for watching.